I got this email from Luxembourg University Scholarship Board or contacts when I emailed them regarding the scholarship, and they sent me this information. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you about this scholarship opportunity. The scholarship covers accommodation for 2 years and also stipend. Okay, apart from this scholarship, there are other scholarships too, but in this video I'm going to concentrate on this particular scholarship, and also I'm going to share with you about the admission. Okay, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can apply for admission and give you some tips on what to do to get admission at this university. So ensure that you watch this video till the end. Don't miss it for anything. Okay,
my name is Breno. I am changing lives. I currently live in Poland. I've been to several countries around the world, and based on my experience, I have the skill, I have the knowledge to help you to make an informed decision, and I drop content every week. Ensure that you subscribe and click on the bell so that you get notified whenever I drop content. I'm here to help you to make an informed decision to discover opportunities abroad. I've helped several people to move abroad, and you might just be the next person.
Previously, I shared a video about the University of Luxembourg being a free tuition university, and this is according to this report here. The University of Luxembourg charges no tuition fees for domestic or international students. Students are only required to pay an enrollment fee of between 200 and 400 euros at the beginning of each semester. You can find other information that claims that Luxembourg charges tuition fees. But whatever is the case, it is still cheap to study at the University of Luxembourg. If you haven't liked this video, please kindly click on the like button to support this channel. Without wasting your time, let me quickly read out the email that the scholarship board or contact sent to me this morning. Dear candidate, the guidelines are the following. The application procedure for scholarships consists of 2 steps. Step number 1, you must first apply for the program of your choice on the admission portal and submit all the relevant documentation requested by the program. I'm going to show you how to do that in some steps here. All right, so in order to do this, you need to choose a study program. Okay, because for you to apply for the scholarship, you need to apply for admission first, and that's what I'm showing you now. And the first step to apply for admission is to choose a study program. Second step, you need to check your eligibility criteria. Third step, you need to prepare the required document. Fourth step, you need to create an account on their platform. And the fifth step, you need to complete your application and pay the application fee. Then the sixth step, you need to submit your application online. And for the seventh step, your application will be processed. Let me take you through step number 1 to show you the kind of programs that are available, okay, and guide you and just give you some tips. In choosing a program, you click on this place. By the way, I'm going to put the links, important links, in the description that is under this video. So ensure that you go there and check on under the video after watching this video. Okay, so first of all, you need to watch the video, all right, with a calm mind to understand the whole thing. Then after, you go under the video, okay, to click on the important links. Then you will start following the things you've learned from the video. So if you don't understand anything, maybe you miss a step, you can refer back to the video. I'm just giving you a tip for success. All right, now you can choose up to 3 programs. First, you need to choose a study program you want to apply for. You can apply for up to 3 programs. Now let's explore the bachelor and master's programs available at this university. So first of all, we're going to look at the bachelor's programs. Bachelors at the Faculty of Law. We have bachelors at the Faculty of Humanities, Education and Social Sciences, even bachelors of Medicine, and different programs here. So in order to check and know if the kind of program you're looking for is here, just click on the link in the description of this video. We also have a wide range of master's programs. For example, we have Masters in Space Technologies and Business. We have International Master of Science in Biomedicine. We have other master's programs. Okay. For more information, click on the link in the description under this video. All right. Now let's look at one of the programs, or let's use one of the programs, so that I will explain to you what to do, how to apply, and the things you need to know. Let's explore the Master in European and International Tax Law, so that we can find out how to know the requirements and other information. So this is the official page of the program. Okay, it is a 2-year master's program, which is 4 semesters. The fees is 200 euros per semester, which is not much compared to lots of universities, or compared to some universities in Europe. Students of the Master in European and International Tax Law are invited to apply for the Athos Foundation Scholarship. So this is one of the scholarships. It is very important for you to know the kind of scholarship that is applicable to the program that you are applying for. For example, this particular scholarship that I'm sharing with you in this video, it is for some specific programs. So ensure that you find out which scholarship is applicable for the program that you are applying for. For this particular program, it is the Athos Foundation Scholarship. There are details about the scholarship. Just make sure that you always read more to explore, to know the right things to do. As you can see, it is one of the scholarships here. So you need to just come here and click on it and familiarize yourself with the scholarship and know how to apply. Okay, now for this program, what is the criteria? Okay, what are the things that they require from you for admission? You can find that information when you come to the requirements. Okay, when you come to the requirements, you need to read these things extensively and know what they are requesting from you in order to apply for admission. For this program, they need both English and French proficiency. There are other programs where you can apply if you don't speak French. I'm just using this as an example to show you how you can go about it when you are choosing a program, and what are the important things you need to take note, okay, in order to apply for a program. Like for example, you need to know the fees, if you can pay the fees. You need to find out the requirements. You need to find out if that program is offering scholarship, and how can you apply for that scholarship. You need to find out all these information. You need to know what are the requirements for the scholarship application, so that you can prepare these things beforehand. One important thing you need to know is that application for international student has already started. It started on the 1st of February 2024, and the deadline is the 30th of April 2024. So ensure that you apply on time. Remember that the link to finding a bachelor or master's degree program is in the description under this video. Okay, from my own experience, when applying for a program, you need to write a motivation letter. Okay, just inquire to know the things that they require for the program, so that you stand a higher chance of getting admitted to that program. And also you need a CV and other documents. For example, your degree certificate or high school certificate and transcripts, or university certificate and transcripts. Just make sure that you read the requirements so that you know the things to upload. When you go to the application system, you will see those things that you need to upload on the system. Now, what you've just done here is step 1 for you to apply for a scholarship. Everything here is step 1. It gets you closer and closer to the scholarship. This gets you closer to the scholarship, but it doesn't end there. You need to meet the program requirements. If your application is retained, you could be eligible for the scholarship and apply for it. An automatic email will be sent to you to fill the scholarship application form and to upload the document required. That is a motivation letter and 2 academic recommendation letters. These are very, very important documents, when it comes to you getting that scholarship. And you must put in efforts to provide the best of these letters. Direct application to the scholarship program is not possible. and no documents sent by email will be processed. Okay, now here are the available study programs for this Guillaume Dupaix scholarship. So we have Masters in Integrated Systems Biology, Master in Space Technologies and Business, Master in Civil Engineering Sciences, Megastructure Engineering with Sustainable Resources, Master in Sustainable Product Creation, Master in Mathematics, Data Science, Physics, etc. Okay, so these are the eligible programs, okay, for this particular scholarship. Okay, remember that there are other scholarships, and as we've seen earlier, based on the program I used for illustration, it is another type of scholarship that is applicable to that program, and it is different from this one. Okay, so you might be interested in one of the courses there, but it might not be here, but the scholarship is different. For this particular scholarship that I'm sharing in this video, the application deadline is 29th of March. Applications must be received before this date to be considered for the scholarship. Remember that there are other scholarships here. Now briefly, let's look at this particular scholarship in details. What are the things you need to apply for this scholarship? What is it about? What is it about? Who is eligible to apply? Now, the Luxembourg Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs and the Ministry of Research and Higher Education are funding a talent support program. The Guillaume Dupaix International Master's Scholarship aims to attract high-achieving international students who wish to follow a master's program at the University of Luxembourg. So it is for master's degree level. The fields of studies that are eligible for this scholarship I've already shown you from the email. Then the duration is up to 2 years. Okay, you're going to receive funding for up to 2 years if you get accepted for the scholarship. Now, what are the number of students that they are looking for? They are looking for maximum 30 students per year. That is 10 per faculty. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? You should be an international applicant from either EU or non-EU, okay, that is applying to a master's degree program, to one of these programs listed here. Then only master programs that run their 2-year program in Luxembourg University, okay. Then master programs that have a mandatory semester or year abroad are not eligible. Then you must have, or you should have, excellent academic performance during your undergraduate studies. You should be a full-time student, okay. Then you should be a non-beneficiary of Luxembourg State Financial Aid for higher education. So this is another alternative. If I were you, I'm going to go and Google this, Luxembourg State Financial Aid for higher education, to see if I can apply for it. The stipend amounts to 10,000 euros per academic year for up to 2 years. One part of the scholarship covers student housing, and the remaining part is an amount paid in installments at the beginning of each semester for a maximum of 2 years. So basically, this scholarship will cover your accommodation and they will still give you stipend. The scholarship is subject to performance evaluation and may be withheld. For example, in the case of academic misconduct, poor academic performance, or withdrawal from the master's program. 200 euro enrollment fee or tuition fee is not included in the scholarship, but I can tell you that it is cheap. And based on this scholarship, if you are wise, you should be able to use this scholarship to actually make your way, because if they will take care of your accommodation and you still have up to like over 2,000 euros left, then you should be able to pay your school fees. And Luxembourg is a land of opportunity. You will be able to find a job, or you should be able to find a job there if you're really serious. And you should be able to set your compass well and be able to live the kind of dream that you want. Remember that you need to send your application before the 29th of March 2024. Okay, all right guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this video? What are the questions you have? Okay, remember that you can talk to me one-on-one. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, the link is in the description under this video. If you need further guidance on how to apply for this scholarship, you want me to guide you personally, you want me to take your matter on my head, right, personally, then you can contact me. All right, you can do that by booking. All right, click on the link in the description under this video, then book for a one-on-one consultation, right? After you've done that, take a screenshot of your booking, contact me on either Instagram or Facebook. Then we can plan to have a one-on-one conversation, and I can guide you. I can tailor my advice to your own immigration need. All right. And also, if you need help in creating a CV, if you want to create a CV, a European standard CV or cover letter, the links are in the description under this video. So we have the first one is you want to create a CV, right? And you need help. Or you want to kind of upgrade your CV to the European standard. The link is in the description under this video. Then if you need both CV and cover letter together, you need help in creating a motivational letter. You want us to make a standard motivational letter for you, a European standard motivational letter and CV for you. The link is also in the description under this video. So click on the link, do the needful, take a screenshot and contact us on either Instagram or Facebook with a screenshot. If you liked that video you just watched, please give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. And if you have any question, please put the comment section below. Okay, till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.